All right. Well, I wanted to talk to you guys about team building here that we're going to take care of, and that's going to make it much, much easier to build Orca because I won't have to build the whole thing, every single aspect of it. I never was too enthused about building the cabin or the fly bridge or whatever interior or anything it has to be done. And, we're going to have all kinds of different people that are contributors, to the project that are going to contribute, like Timeless Tube is interested in building like the bow rail and all the tubular stuff that's on the boat. And obviously tips from a shipwright, and that's me. It's going to build a hull, and we've got gyro stabilization going in it by Seakeeper, and I can't wait to see that and feel what that looks like because or feels like, because I've never been on a boat with a Seakeeper, so that's going to be quite interesting. And the propulsion is going to be provided by Mac Boring, and I believe at this point it's going to be a nice brand new Yanmar 6-cylinder diesel. And Sheldon Corporation, which is interested in building the mast and the rigging and different things. And we have quite a list of people that already have started working with us, actually. Jimmy Diresta is one of them, and Cort Corino. Cort Corino is the guy that built the mock-up of the cabin of Orca and had it out at Martha's Vineyard for the 50th anniversary. And, he's interested very much in building the interior in the cabin on this particular boat on Orca, our reproduction of Orca. And Jimmy Diresta, who used to be a TV star, I guess, he had a television program about crafts and different things. We've contacted him, and he's very interested in building the cabin itself. We haven't decided whether or not we can get any of that stuff going on until the hull and deck is complete, but we're going to consider all those kinds of things. We're going to build quite a team, actually, here, and we're going to get the job done.